Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Shine Telecom. Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to bypass Realme FRP unlock latest method. It's totally free method. Let's start our video. First of all, you need to press on accessibility icon and then turn on accessibility. Now you can show select to speak option. Just tap and turn on this option. Now draw like me in this interface for use voice control talkback. Now double tap to use voice command and say Google Assistant. Now you can see like this interface. So you need to double tap to three dash icon. Now you can see again this interface. Now press on microphone icon and say open YouTube. After open YouTube, you need to press on user icon and select to setting, then select about, then select Google Play Service. Now you need to press on search bar and write bnrom.net/bypass and press on search. Now just little scroll down and press on open setting. After open setting, scroll down. Now tap to additional setting and scroll down, select backup and reset. Tap erase all data. Factory reset, erase all data, then erase data and again erase data. Now wait few minutes and your job will be done.
Few moments later.